my steam engines. My Solor steamer seems to be generating enough heat and steam to easily steam a little steam engine that I will be having soon.
What does Rachel do on that? We bother. She's not even home.
Steaming real nice, guys. I'm very pleased with my boiler. It's still going from my earlier video. And it's all being powered by free energy. Free energy from the sun. Now, just so you know, this is a Fresnel lens. Fresnel lenses can get up to 2,000 degrees at the center focal point. It was taking 36 inches of sunlight squared and focaling them down to a 1 inch. That's a lot of energy. Just so you can see how much energy, let's see how long it takes to burn wood. There it goes. Get it out of there before it converts. But these is just a solar project. Little hobby I'm doing. $6 I got into my little boiler. I'm very pleased. The thin wall of it makes an excellent heat exchanger so that it's rapidly flash boiling the water. So I'm using actually less energy and producing more steam. Seems to be working real well. Actually, I'm a little leery about this. I might have to open it up because I only got just a little bit cocked, but it sure is doing a nice job. Well, guys, I hope you enjoy. This is the first step of my steam journey back to the past with a little bit of the future. I'll talk to you later, and have a nice day.